Today was absolutely wonderful. I am so excited to see the program grow and what it becomes. Just having a space for a family that looks like mine is just super, super great. Every time they said families with exceptionalities, it just warmed my heart to know that it's a safe space for us, and I'm very excited to see my child grow in a program that is tailor-made for her.
Today is a great day. Together We're Able is a great program. We look forward to coming back to more programs, to doing more things for exceptional students, with exceptional abilities. Did you have fun today?
I have fun.
Thank you.
I have fun. The most exciting part about the water bottle and the sand.